Hi, I'm Ms. Matsuoka, and I'm going to show you how to determine if a sequence is exponential or not. So we basically have some different numbers, and we're trying to figure out if that particular sequence is exponential. Now, something is exponential when you're multiplying by the same thing each time to get the next number. So the very first thing we need to do is determine the multiplier by dividing. And then we need to check that the multiplier is the same, it's consistent. So for this first one, basically to find the multiplier, we're doing like 2 times what gives me 8. In other words, we're saying 8 divided by 2. So we're saying that 4 is our multiplier because 2 times 4 will give me 8. So I've done my first step. Now I need to do the second step, which is checking to see that the multiplier is the same. So to check to see if the multiplier is the same, I already know that 2 times 4 gives me 8. Now I need to check, does 8 times 4 equal 16? So I do 8 times 4, that gives me 32, which is not 16. Okay? So this is not equal to 16, so that means that this is not exponential. Okay. So that's my first one. Here's my second one. So I have this sequence right here. Again, I need to determine my multiplier by dividing. So I'm always going to do that second one divided by that first one. When I divide by this first one, they're fractions, so I need to flip and multiply. I'm always flipping and multiplying the second bottom fraction here. So it's negative 2/3 times 3/1. Now I can cross cancel here. In total I get negative 2. So this is telling me that my multiplier might be negative 2. I'm going to double check. I need to make sure that negative 2/3 times negative 2 gives me 4/3. And this is just negative 2/1. So I could just multiply straight across. I get 4/3. So this is good because that's exactly what I wanted to get. So basically, this is exponential. And my multiplier here was the negative 2. Okay, let's look at our next one. So our next one is 4, 6, and then 9. So again, I determine the multiplier by dividing. So 6 divided by 4 will give me 3/2 after I reduce. So I already know that this times that gives me the 6. Now I need to make sure that 6 times that will give me 9. So 6 times 3/2. This is over 1, right? So now I can cross cancel this. So that's going to be 1, that's going to be 3. And in total I get 9, so this is good. That means that this is exponential as well. And my multiplier is, let's see, that was 3/2. Okay, so now I've given you a few examples to work with and to really see. So now I'm going to go ahead and give you your bonus question. Alright, here's your bonus question. We have 75, 30, and 12. Again, we need to figure out if it's exponential, and if it is exponential, I do want you to tell me what the multiplier is. Make sure to follow the 2 steps that are on the side. Good luck!